Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After creating any new tag categories or subcategories you want, you can then assign those tags to images. To assign a tag to an image, click and drag the images to tag from the Organizer window onto the desired tag, tag category, or tag subcategory by which to categorize the images. Alternatively, click and drag a tag from the Tags panel and drop it onto an image in the Organizer window to tag the image with the selected tag. Both actions have the same effect. Another way to assign tags to media is to use the Contextual menu. To do this, first select the images to tag. Then right-click a tag category or subcategory name. Click the Apply to Selected Media command from the contextual pop-up menu that appears to assign that tag to the selected images. Note that this contextual pop-up menu also contains commands that let you change a tag category or tag subcategory name, edit a tag category, or delete tag categories or subcategories. Ratings are another type of tag used to categorize selected media items by their quality. To assign a rating of 1 to 5 stars to an image by using the pop-up contextual menu, right-click a media file, roll over the Ratings command in the pop-up menu, and then click the desired rating level to apply from the side menu of choices that appears. The choices range from 1 to 5 stars and also include no rating if you want to remove a previously assigned rating. After assigning ratings, you can filter for those images by clicking the desired comparison operator and then clicking the corresponding star above the Tags panel. Remember that you can switch back to All Media by clicking that button in the upper left corner of the Organizer window. To let Photoshop Elements automatically display up to 500 of what it thinks are your best photos, check the Auto Curate checkbox to the right of the rating stars. Then use the slider that appears to select the number of photos to show, or simply enter that number into the adjacent field, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. To show all media again, simply uncheck the Auto Curate checkbox. You can filter the media view to only display images with a specified tag by clicking the checkbox to the left of the tag name within the Tags panel. To remove a tag filter, uncheck the checkbox to remove the filter, or simply click the All Media button in the upper left corner of the Organizer window. Note that you can also click the black arrows that appear to the left of the People tags, Places tags, and Events tags sections to expand and collapse those tag groups to show or hide the tags within them. You can also check or uncheck the tags in these sections to filter the media view to show or hide the tagged images.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.